right, we're still in lesson 4. Now we're going to do learn activity 4, which is creating headers and footers. This one's a really quick one. If you haven't done it already, click learn. If you have, click practice. All right, so in this exercise, you will insert a footer with a page number. Remember that even though you will not be inserting a header in this document, the process to create a header is similar to a footer, except that the header information is inserted at the top of the document. All data files are located in, for my computer, it says document/JasperActive. Yours may have a different file path. All right, so only one step here. Insert a footer. With the new adventures approved document open, click the Insert tab, and in the header and footer group, click Footer, then click the blank 3 columns option. All right, so new adventures approved, we can tell that's the document open because it's up here in the title bar. We're going to click on the Insert tab, and then we're going to click the header and footer, or go find the header and footer group. There it is right there. Sometimes it can be hard to see these groups if your document is not maximized fully. So keep that in mind. If you're having a hard time seeing something, you might want to maximize your document all the way and minimize your instructions for a minute so you can see it a little more clearly here. And then if you need your instructions back, just click on that J down in the taskbar. All right, so in the header and footer group, click Footer, and then click blank 3 columns option. So here's footer right here. If I drop that down, you can see I have different options. So I wanted blank 3 columns. When I click on that, it inserts that same style down here at the bottom in my footer field. And then I can enter the items into the footer by clicking in the Type Here field. It will highlight it for me. So click in the first Type Here field at the left margin and type New Adventures. I already selected that because I was messing around and I did it, so yay me. Type New Adventures. And then click in the second Type Here field and press Delete. So remember when it says press Delete, it wants you to press that Delete key on your keyboard. And then click in the last Type Here field, and then on the Design tab of the Header and Footer Tools ribbon, click Page Number in the Header and Footer group. Point to the current position, and then click Accent Bar 2. So that's a lot of steps. I'm going to break it down. We're going to click in the Type Here field first, and then on the Design tab of the Header and Footer field. So that's one of those tabs that appears when you're doing something specific. We are going to click Page Number in the Header and Footer group. There's Header and Footer group right here. There's Page Number. And then it wants us to point to current position and then click Accent Bar 2. So down on my options, there's current position right here. And it gives me some options. It wants us to do Accent Bar 2. All right, so then it has inserted that page number for me down here. On the Design tab and in the Close group, click Close Header and Footer. So you can see it's a big red X right up here. When I click that, it will put me back into my document, and I can still see my footer down here at the bottom. And it's on every page that I have. Mark as answered and show results.